say birds of the same feather. Flock together, left from whatever. Been some lonely endeavors. With your eyes to the heavens, they never expected. Find myself flying the highest when I'm an eagle in perfect alignment. Get faith or die trying. I feel like David, I see Goliath. I think I'm Daniel. Take out the.
It's your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through again for you, girl. So I just want to let you guys know I won a giveaway by this girl. Her name is The Real Lat. She's really nice. She had did a giveaway and she gave away 3 prizes. She gave away 2 collections of the Curls and the Curls Professional Cashmere and Cavalry collection, and she gave away some vitamins, some liquid vitamins from Curls as well, and I was supposed to win the vitamins. She surprised me and let me win this one. I'm so excited. I got 5 products by them and I'm so happy, and I'm just showing you one of them because this is what the bottles look like. They look really good, very fresh. Let's get started and talking about these products. The first one is the hair bath, and it says it's our luxurious hair bath, gentle cleansing with active charcoals as it's naturally conditions with cashmere and caviar extract. It leaves hair looking, feeling silky smooth and cashmere stuff. So we're gonna see how this works. We're about to try this out right now. We got to see how this works. With this shampoo, it came out black and it slid it really quick and easy. I applied it to my scalp first to see how that works for me, and then I applied it to the rest of my hair. And it felt pretty good. My hair, it feels soft a little bit, but it's not a bad shampoo. Do I feel like my hair felt moisturized? A little bit. It don't feel like my hair was completely stripped of anything, but my hair feel very clean at the moment. They gave me a hair mask. Okay, so it smell pretty good. Right now you're seeing me apply deep conditioner to my hair, and I'm showing you guys I'm going to do it in sections. So deep conditioner was pretty cool. I really liked it. It smells, all the products smell the same to me. They all have the exact same smell, and it was very thick and creamy, but I only think I'm gonna get like a good 3 uses out of this. I liked it. I like the way it smelled. I like the way my hair felt. I like the way it felt in my strands, and I like the way it easily detangled in my hair. So I give this product an A, but I'm trying to see which one my favorite. But I'm gonna see out of the 5 which one my favorite, which one I recommend you guys to purchase. As you can see, I'm applying it to my hair, detangling it, and also I'm twisting it so I can have the best results. And I'm showing you how I did it in sections, so you guys stay tuned, okay? Right now you see me parting my hair and detangling to get ready to style. They got the hair silk, and the hair silk is basically a leave-in conditioner used on wet or damp hair. Wet or dry hair. It's white too, so, and it smells just like the hair mask. This is the hair jelly, and it says style while you reconstruct and strengthen your stressed and damaged hair. Light hold with added sheen and definition. Oh, and this is white too, so this is like a cream as well. All I did was a braid out. I braided it and I twisted it at the bottom so I could have that curl, and I also just did that. It wasn't nothing major, you know what I'm saying? It was just a braid with a twist.
Beneficial beef got beef.
Right now I'm showing you guys the result of how my braid and twists are coming out, and I'm just showing you guys how I braided it at the top and twisted at the bottom. Curls Hair Serum is a hair serum that is to strengthen, restructure, and add sheen to texture hair. So it's basically an oil, and I did like this product. I like the way it looked and I like the way it smelled. Now I want to talk about the leave-in conditioner. Well, the hair silk and the hair jelly. Both of them felt the same to me, but the hair jelly is a soft hold gel. It's not a hard hold gel. So I did like the fact that my hair felt very soft and I didn't have to pick my hair. This is a braid out. It's not really a tutorial. That's why I didn't really try to make it a full tutorial. It's just basically a product review. And I liked it, the products. I liked the fact that it was soft hold. The main one I would repurchase again is the deep conditioner, to be honest with you guys. And I also will repurchase the hair serum. But the other products I can do without because I would like my hair to last a little longer than 3 days, because these are soft hold products. So that's the reason why I wouldn't repurchase all of them, but I would repurchase 2 out of the 5. And I just really liked the way my hair looked, the way my hair felt. But if it was up to me, I wouldn't purchase these over because I like a harder hold than a soft hold. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me how y'all feel about this video. Did you like the products? Did you like how it applies to my hair? Would you try these products? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me how y'all feel about it. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in to Rock Your Glory. Thank you. Deuces.
The dark brown shades of my skin only add color, only add color, only add. Warning.